So we know a lot of kids in our age group can have the virus and like be asymptomatic. And, when kids are asymptomatic, they might think, oh, I can go to so-and-so's house, like, and they're having like a huge party and, it won't be a big risk. And so there's a lot of kids in our grade that kind of wonder, like, how do you talk to your friends about like not going to large parties? Like, how do you talk to them and like explain like the type of risk that they're putting themselves and everybody else in?
I would offer maybe you can be, or you or your friends that have a desire to maybe avoid the large party can be the the catalyst or the initiator for something that's a little lower risk. Like, hey, why don't we connect, but let's go perhaps not in a large group where everyone's together and inside, and take that smaller group of close friends. We talked about a cohort of friends that maybe you almost bring them in the inner circle like their family, so you spend time with them more than others, and you go do something that's going to reduce the risk. And so I think that pressure is probably significant in the high school years, and it doesn't even in the adult years, right, where people still want to try to really connect in the way that we normally do, especially around the holidays, right? So being creative and saying, hey, let's go do this instead, and just being aware. That question itself shows that you're really aware and you're thinking about trying to do that. So I would just offer that as a suggestion.
Just we need to avoid these big groups inside, because it's the sort of perfect setting. A lot of times when you look at these outbreaks nationally, their family reunions, their graduation parties, their slumber parties, where people think, well, we'll just do it this once, and then 15 people get sick a week later. So just hang in there and avoid the big groups. It's hard. I'm with you.